guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Marquita, and if you're new, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're not, continue watching the video. Even if you're not new, continue watching the video. But anyway guys, I have great news for you guys. If you didn't know, I am married. I've been married since July 8th, and we recently moved in this past week together. He is in the, we're just here, you know, living in North Carolina now. So I recently moved out. I lived in Maryland at first, but now I am currently residing in North Carolina. So yes, I live on the base with my husband, and we really enjoy living here. And we just got this brand new house, and I want to show it to you guys. Kitchen where I do all my cooking, and I do everything that involves food in this house. Very nice kitchen, gas stoves. So our house is not furnished yet because we're still searching for the perfect furnishing. Oh, look, it's chocolate. This is chocolate guy. This is chocolate guy. Say hi to Chocolate. He's really friendly. Yeah, and this is our, you know, wash machine, dryer, and all that. We had to buy these new set, but you know, they're really nice. They work really well. I actually have to do the laundry, but yeah, we have a lot of space. Hey, Chocolate. We have a lot of space. This is my husband's camis, you know. And yeah, we recently moved out together. We have been together for about 3 years now, and we got married. We were friends at first, so we met back in 2016, but right now we're looking at our house. But anyway, of Chocolate's casa. He has a mini casa where he loves to go to relax and play, I guess. Right, Chocolate? I don't know. But yeah, the kitchen's really clean because I keep it clean all the time. No dishes, never. I cannot come home to a bunch of dishes. So yeah, this is the storage. Really nice. Let me zoom out for you guys. This is the storage, really beautiful. You know, I don't have that much stuff in here, but I had to get the seasonings because we can't have food that's not seasoned around here. And then we have the salt, basic stuff. You know, you never think like, oh, this house needs to this and that until it's time for you to actually get all of it on your own. I have to have coffee, so yeah. That was loud. This is empty, but it's gonna get filled when slowly. I have some bread and some tostadas. I just got this yesterday. You know, a whole knife set, kitchen set for a very low price, you know, but it's really good. I love this brand, Faberware. Had to get all of this, you know, our silverware, soups, all that. You know, it's been really kind of fun decorating. Chocolate loves being over here. And yeah, right now our dishwasher doesn't work, so I have to dry everything right here. They're gonna come and fix it though. Here is Chocolate's little stash, you know. Right up here we have some rice, and then in our fridge we just have the regular old fridge. It's pretty full. Yeah, and this is the half bathroom. This is the storage room. It is so big. Like, it might not look as big right here, but it is big, guys. I promise you. So we're gonna go in here. You'll see that we have hidden boxes. I have to crouch down a little bit, but you can see that it's so big, the storage. There goes Chocolate again in the video. He wants to be in the YouTube video, guys. Just keep all our cleaning supplies here, you know, got it clean. But this kitchen has a lot of storage space, so you can't, I gotta get used to that. A lot of space under here. A lot of space, like a big thing of masa for the tortillas. Lots of bags that I need to organize. I didn't have time to. I will after this video though. You know, just nothing in here, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna get everything. Quick look at the oven. You know, all the basic tools. This is me and Kevin's Starbucks / cup collection that we have. We have a lot of cups there in the back. And hojaldras. It's Spanish food. And these are Tupperware. Have a little mini cheap espresso machine. Have glasses, not that much, but we got something. I do have plates, so don't think I ain't got no plates in here because I do. All right, and I have just some garlic in here in the pantry. Have a little bit here, some plates, some potatoes. Yeah, and that's the kitchen, guys. Really big open space kitchen. Looks really beautiful. Chocolate, what are you doing? You really want to be in this video, don't you? You really want to be in this video today. Chocolate wants to be in this video. This is the Xbox. This is an old Xbox for any gamers who probably know what this is. This is an old Xbox that my husband used. This is to watch TV on here and all of that good jazz. He uses this, not me, but I use it to watch. This is our little mini TV for right now. As you can see, the cable is hooked up to there. And we're gonna get new couches. And this is like our dining room. But I'm gonna show you guys the house when it's all furnished as well. Let's go upstairs. There goes my husband, guys.
Hey.
And this room is the guest room. In the guest room, we don't have anything in here, but like this very old wardrobe. It's not really nothing in here. But yeah, it's a lot of space. Big window. It's really nice. So you guys can see. It's not furnished. We just moved in. Relax. But yeah. This will be the studio / gaming room / Nintendo collection crap that my husband has. So yeah, we're gonna like start stacking everything, get some stuff. You guys will see the transformation soon. In this room, we have a nice bathroom, really beautiful. How to get like some stuff for the guest bathroom. But yeah, it's pretty boring in here. Have our closet that I've already organized. But yeah, this is the closet. And this is the master bedroom. It's really, really, really big and beautiful. Let me show you guys. Love this room. Has a lot of space. We have cable, we have Netflix, we got all of that set up. Peep the $2 bill. I was doing some cleaning in here. And this is the best room of them all. Like, this room is great. This bathroom is so big that my husband, Kevin, can have his own space, and I too can have my own space, if you know what I'm saying. And the lighting is so beautiful. I love the lighting. Have a window in here randomly to see outside our house, like a lake. And this is the big bathroom. Like, this tub is so big, but this is our bathroom. Everything's not quite up to furnished yet, but this is our like closet and all that stuff. Have like some of my things in here. He has his side with his things, so we're all good. I love this bathroom a lot. This whole house is nice. But the best part is the closet. This is the walk-in big closet. So I decided I'm gonna put my bags up here. It was all for me at first, but then, you know, I was like, no, I'm gonna share this side with my husband. And this is his shoes. Like all the way up to here, and here is his shoes. Then you get over here, it's all my shoes that I don't even wear that often, but hey, I'm still gonna keep them. And so I color coordinated this. Since I was wearing white, I decided to take the white one off, the hanger. But yeah, so this is all whites, pinks, reds, and blues, and yellows-ish. And we have cheetah print, brown, pink mauve browns, reddish browns, and then we have gray all the way to black and black and black. So there's a lot of black. Oh crap. There's a lot of black. And then over here we have my jackets, coats, etc. And up here is random stuff like skirts, hats, and my bags, some t-shirts randomly, and we have it assorted from shorts, stretch pants, and leggings. So yeah, leggings, stretch pants, and then jeans. And it's color coordinated, so it's white, and then there's black, and then there's, like, you know, colorful stuff. But yeah, then this is his side. It took a long time to fold all of this. Like, it took so long to do all this, but we did it. This is like his marine stuff, pretty neatly, nice and folded. But yeah, now let's go see my husband Kevin, who's running away. Why are you running away? Wait, come here. This is Kevin, guys. Say hi.
Hi.
What do you want to say to my YouTube family?
I'm not big. I'm not used to this.
Hey, say hi.
Hi.
Oh my god. Ugh. But this is like the big grand house because I love it so much. But yeah. And this is my marine husband. Stole this for me. And yeah, now we live together. Go show them the backyard, babe.
Let's go, babe.
Now we're gonna go to the backyard and I'm gonna show you guys the garage.
The garage is back there.
Yeah, we're gonna show them the garage. Chocolate's been featured in my video. Back here is the garage. I mean, not the garage, the backyard. It's like a patio, so you can sit out here and I guess eat if you want to. And Chocolate doesn't ever come back here when he has all this space that he should be taking advantage of, because he should. Right, Chocolate? Okay. He's gonna get used to the area. He's gotta sniff it around, I guess. But tell us how you like it, Chocolate. Don't play, go run. He's gonna sniff around a bit, leave his mark, like all the men dogs do. And then he'll get used to coming back here and using the bathroom. And I just saw a cute butterfly. See, that's all they gotta do is get used to it, and then they'll start using the bathroom out here. That's what happens when you have new animals come to a new location. I love that you can see the lake back here, and there's like a nice, varied community. And living in North Carolina has actually been pretty fun. So Chocolate's gonna go get used to it and spend a little bit of time in the backyard. He's It's gonna leave his mark everywhere. Watch. This is what male dogs. This is what male dogs do. They do this. They get used to it. But yeah, once he's left his mark, that's his territory. Now I showed you guys the laundry room. I didn't show you guys the garage. So this is where we keep our trash. And I guess there's a fan back here because it's hot. And this is my husband's Subaru. This is Chocolate again, being in the video. And then this is the garage. Really big, really open. It's a 2 garage thingy. So you can have 2 cars, right, babe? This is the whole neighborhood. Really big, really nice. And I love North Carolina. It's a really big open space. Really beautiful. Me and my husband love living here. It's a really nice house. And yeah, right, babe? But yeah, we're really happy to live here. And I love North Carolina. I don't want to move back to Maryland. If I could never go back to Maryland, I won't, because I like North Carolina better. And yes, so babe, what do you think about our house?
Beautiful.
What do you think about living with me?
I love the food.
And what else?
The coffee.